Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul already knows his basic candles. Hammer, doji, engulfing. Single candle patterns are useful, but here is the truth. 2 and 3 candle combos are even more powerful because they tell a story across multiple days. 1 candle is a snapshot. 2 or 3 candles. That is a narrative. Buyers versus sellers. Fear turning to hope, or confidence turning to panic. Today, Rahul learns the combos that professional traders watch every single day. Rahul learns candlestick combos. The Morning Star. This is a 3-candle bullish reversal pattern. Candle 1, a big red candle. Strong selling. Bears are in control. Candle 2, a small body candle, often a doji. The selling has stalled. Neither side is winning. This is the star. Candle 3, a big green candle that closes well into the first candle's body. The bulls have taken over. The dawn after darkness. When a morning star appears at a key support level, it has about 78% accuracy. That is one of the highest hit rates in all of candlestick analysis. The evening star, the exact opposite of the morning star. Candle 1, a big green candle. Strong buying. Bulls are celebrating. Candle 2, a small body candle at the top. The buying has exhausted itself. The party is over. Candle 3, a big red candle that closes deep into the first candle's body. The bears have arrived. The sun set after a rally. When you see an evening star at resistance, it is a warning. The uptrend is likely done. Smart money is already selling. 3 white soldiers. 3 consecutive green candles. Each one closes higher than the previous one. Each one opens within or near the body of the previous candle. This is not random buying. This is organized, relentless buying pressure. Day after day, the bulls are pushing higher. No hosetaschen, no pullback. Strong trend continuation. When you see 3 white soldiers after a period of consolidation, it often signals the start of a powerful uptrend. Jump aboard or get left behind. 3 black crows. The bearish mirror. 3 consecutive red candles. Each one closes lower than the last. Each one opens within the body of the previous candle. This is relentless selling. Not panic, not a single-day crash. 3 days of methodical distribution. Institutions are dumping shares in an orderly fashion. When you see 3 black crows at a resistance level or after a long uptrend, the message is clear. The sellers are in total control. Get out or get run over. Tweezer top and tweezer bottom. 2 candles with matching highs or matching lows. A tweezer top is 2 candles at a high where both hit the same high price, but the second candle reverses. It means the market tested that price twice and got rejected both times. A key rejection level confirmed. A tweezer bottom is 2 candles at a low where both touch the same low price. Double rejection at support. When you see matching highs or matching lows on consecutive candles, the market is telling you that level is important. Respect it. The harami. A small candle whose entire body fits inside the body of the previous large candle. Bullish harami, big red candle followed by a small green candle inside it. The selling stopped. Something is changing. Bearish harami, big green candle followed by a small red candle inside it. The buying ran out of steam. A harami is indecision. The old trend has lost power, but the new trend has not started yet. A breakout is coming. The question is which direction? Wait for the next candle to confirm before you act. HDFC Bank. The stock has been falling from 1600 toward 1520. That is a major support level from previous months. Rahul watches. Day 1. A big red candle closes at 1520. Bears are hammering support. Day 2. A tiny doji candle right at 1520. The selling has stalled. Day 3. A big green candle opens at 1522 and closes at 1535. Morning star confirmed its support. Rahul enters on the 3rd candle confirmation at 1535. Stop loss at 1510, below the pattern low. Target 1580. HDFC Bank bounces off the morning star at support. 1540, 1555, 1570. Then hits 1580. Rahul exits at the target. Profit 60 rupees per share on 20 shares. 1,200 rupees. The morning star at support. 3 candles told the whole story. Bears tried. Failed. Bulls took over. Pattern complete. Trade complete. Rahul's candlestick combo rules. 1. Context matters. A morning star at random is noise. A morning star at support is a trade. 2. Volume confirms. Higher volume on the third candle means the pattern is strong. 3. Always wait for pattern completion. Do not jump in on candle 2 hoping for candle 3. Let the pattern finish. 4. Combine with support and resistance levels. Combos at key levels are the highest probability setups. 5. 3 candle patterns are stronger than 2 candle patterns. More data points equals more confidence. Single candles are good, but multi-candle combos tell the full story. Buyers versus sellers across multiple days. The narrative of the market. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.